What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we take things seriously, and on today's show I'm going to go ahead and unbox this Shark IQRobot. It also has was a Wi-Fi and it's voice controlled, and it has a self-emptying feature. So let's go ahead and open this up. My previous iRobot actually died, so I went ahead and returned that back to Costco and got this. Alright, we got the quick start guide and charge before first use. Before we actually start using it, it says we have to charge this for at least 6 hours. This looks like it is some kind of dock base. Yeah, place dock on mat before use. Got some more foam. Like some kind of like cleaning brushes, more brushes. So let's go ahead and pull this right out. It's pretty heavy. There's the base. Looks like some filters. Bot boundary. It's interesting. It just looks like it's maybe some RFID strip or something. Oh, that is really cool. Alright, so that is all that is inside the box. This thing is a huge box, pretty heavy. There we go. Now here it says peel here for the power switch. I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. There we go. Remove film before use. Tear that off. So it's a similar construction as our old one. You squeeze these two and this pops out. It says pinch here and lift up. There we go. Then you got a little filter in there. And some more tape. There we go. Get this open next. Now real quick, if you've made it this far in the video, please go ahead and slap that like button. It really helps out this small channel. Also go ahead and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos like this and just other shiny tech things. Press and slide out for dust cup. That's neat. And that just opens up like that. You just push that button. There you go. Slide that right back in and it clicks into place. Filter access, I pull that down and it has a filter right here. Turn this so you can see it. So I'll put the filter right back in. See, it's just right here. So you just push this down and it comes right up. Power switch to turn this on and off. Cut the power cord, the protective piece to the power cord. Just take that off. It has base setup. Place base against a wall or bare floor. On carpet, use the shark mat, which would be this guy right here. Leave at least 3 feet of open space on sides, 5 feet in front. For charging, the power buttons on both robot and base must be in the on position. Align the robot with its back against the base. And when charging begins, the robot will beep and the base light will turn blue. It just says peel here. Not sure if this will reveal anything behind the sticker or if it's just the instructions that you just remove. And nothing behind it. Totally fine. Alright, now let's dive into seeing what exactly this is. They got a QR code to be able to download the app for the Shark. It says prep your home, set up for success. So prepping the robot. Alright, so the brushes here actually go on the bottom. So it looks like it has 2 sets of brushes. There we go. So prep the robot with the brushes, set up the base, plug in the base, charge the robot for at least 6 hours for the first charge. It says what to expect, avoid moving the robot or base. Interactive map. So it'll take your robot multiple runs to generate your interactive map, so run it frequently to get the best map. That's pretty cool. If your robot has a hard time navigating your home in the dark, run the robot in well-lit conditions. If you run your robot at night, make sure to keep the lights on in the rooms to be cleaned. It says your robot can easily climb over most thresholds, but if one is higher than 7/8 of an inch, block it off with the bot boundary strip. Some information about the app. Questions or problems and how-to videos. And let's look at the owner's guide. So they say the bin inside of the base can last up to 15 days, but I am not seeing anything about that filter stuff over there. The maintenance, pulling out the tray like I already showed you. There we go, there's a base filter. There we go. Okay, so there is a filter here in the bottom, and then also right here. So that is what these 2 pieces are inside of this little package. So we will go ahead and just put this back together. And that is basically it. So now I'm going to go ahead and charge this for 6 hours, and then I'll make another video with a follow-up on how well this works in comparison to our old iRobot. So remember, go ahead and slap that like button if you haven't already, and also go ahead and click on the subscribe button as well. If you click on the notification bell and enable that, then you won't miss any of the new videos as I put them out. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I will catch you in the next one.